Alright, issue with crypto. Okay, that can be deleted now. So, we had, it continues to break structure a lot, but at the same time, it doesn't mean that it can't at this point, especially with it breaking all-time highs all over again. So, for someone like me who thinks this is expensive, it's easier for me to profit off of this through trading. I bought the asset at a cheaper price. So, yeah, like you see now, I got into a position I can close out some money. So, it's much different for me compared to someone else who just bought bought it because I can try to look for an opportunity like with patience or well, that's not even going to be that looking at. But yeah, I could try to find opportunities and profit off of them. And then I can hold position longer term like now. I'm up several positions. Like, yeah, I can close out 70 bucks right now. I can close out 47 bucks right here. Actually, it's probably much better that I just do two of those just to have something in my account in case it comes back. I can do stuff like that compared to holding the asset. So, this is just a much easier way than doing what everyone else is doing and just, yeah, placing, well, buying the asset if you know what you're doing, anyways. I'm not like telling anyone to by any means to do this stuff or risk their money without any skill, but yeah, you gotta have skill in order to do this type of stuff and really know what you're looking for. But yeah, you can technically buy the asset at certain points, but I wouldn't want to do that blindly because, like for example, Bitcoin's at 30 over $32,000. How many people really have $32,000? I mean, yeah, you can buy Bitcoin at a cheaper price if you wanted to. You could do that, but it it really depends on the person. It depends on your skill level. You got to know what you're doing. Like right now, I could totally see this dropping at a cheaper price. I see what's happening on the charts versus someone who just throws it in and they only see the dollar amount and get scared and wonder, should I sell this? Should I keep holding on to this? What's up? Much different game. And when you can actually see price, yeah, it's just an entirely different game changer from there on. I'm just, you have to be involved to really kind of understand what I mean. Like, if you can see price, you can make better moves for your money at the end of the day. It's not to say it, but at the same time, yeah, whether you're trading it or buying the asset, you can typically know like whether or not you should hold on to it. Like right now, personally, I would, looking at it, I would have probably taken it. Well, if I were to like buy right here, it would have been much easier to just sell and take it into profit at like what, 100 bucks or so. And yeah, yeah, it's just stuff like that. But from the looks of it, to me right now, Ethereum could possibly fall from here, but that doesn't mean that it will. But because it has broken structure before and exceeded highs before, so it's more like we'll see. I'm gonna kind of play its game a little bit for me, and let me put out a disclaimer that this video is strictly educational. So if you decide to place any trade, trade at your own risk, and it's like 5:10 right now, so by the time you see this video, this trading opportunity will be well over at this point. So, yeah, you don't want to like enter just because you're watching the video anyways, because like I said, as you see, it's moving. But yeah, I can make moves like that. and play it safe still. But yeah, that's the difference between owning the asset versus trading it. When you own the asset, typically most people are like you are just looking at the numbers and not looking at the charts. You can look at the charts if you want to, but you don't have the opportunity to like profit from the sell or take that risk anyways if you wanted to do that. If you're trading it, you can profit from both ends. But what do you think about this video? Is it pretty helpful for you? Feel free to throw your thoughts down in the comments. Um, if you have any experience with this, feel free to throw your opinions down. Like this video, subscribe if you thought this was pretty helpful.